Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. In today's analysis, we will once again take a look at this big falling wedge pattern. Zilliqa has already broken out this resistance and it was testing this previous resistance as a support of this falling wedge pattern. And we will also watch this another formation of the triangle. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this weekly time frame chart. Then here we can see that Zilliqa it was moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern since March 2021, and after several attempts, it finally broke it out here on 21st of March. We had a big move, but rejected by this final resistance of 23 cents. That was, by the way, also our target for this falling wedge pattern as well, because that was the top of this wedge. And I'm expecting that after this retest, soon Zilliqa can make another attempt to break out this resistance of 23 cents. Recently, we can see that after this drop, Zilliqa has also tested this very strong support of 2.9 cents. And previously, this level has been working as a support here, as a resistance here, and resistance here as well. Therefore, once again, it worked as a nice support. And after getting bounced, Zilliqa once again broke out the resistance of this same falling wedge pattern. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame, then you can see that Zilliqa has started the formation of the triangle from here, from 21st of May. And even this down trend line worked as a support here as well. You can see when we had this drop that was started here back on 5th of May, then you can see we had a bounce from this support. We moved down, and once we crossed down this trend line, then since then it is working as a resistance. You can see we tested this resistance here, here, and here, and here, and this is another recent test of this resistance. And if we switch back to the weekly time frame, then here I would like to show you once again the RSI oscillator on this weekly time frame. Then we can see, then let me make it more visible for you. There is a still very big bullish divergence on this chart. Like the Zilliqa formed this low here, the next low is lower than previous low, and if we watch RSI, then it formed higher low than previous low. So there was a very big bullish divergence, and with this bullish divergence, Zilliqa has broken out this resistance once again. Therefore, there is a very high probability that Zilliqa will break out this triangle rather than breaking down. And you can see that now the movement is very squeezed. We are at the very end of this triangle, so at any time we can break out or break down the support or resistance. Now let me show you the both targets. For example, if we will have a breakdown, and then conservatively, because here we first touched the support, first time here we touched the support on 13th of June, so we can have a move to the downside approximately here up to 1.3 cents. And in my point of view, that is very difficult for a price line to move up to the 1.3 cents, because we have a very strong support here on the weekly time frame at 2.9 cents, and before that we also have this previous resistance of the falling wedge pattern as a support. Therefore, in worst case situation, in my point of view, it can test this support of 2.9 cents. Now, if we take a look at the breakout, because we have a very big bullish divergence on the weekly time frame, and I'm expecting we can break out, then our next target can be here at 6.7 cents. And by the way, the target for this bigger falling wedge pattern can be achieved once again, and that is here at 23 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.